Hi, I'm Stacey, and this is Serve It, where I show you how to make my favorite recipes that I like to serve to my family and friends. You know, last episode we created the ultimate big game appetizer, our awesome buffalo cauliflower bites, but now we better focus on those drinks. And we love beer around football, but we want to turn that plain old brewski into something that's a little bit more crafty. Our grapefruit beer, Paloma, and we're gonna do it in these awesome mason jars. We'll show you how to do that in just a bit. For the full recipe and to shop everything you see in the episode, search Serve It on QVC.com, and don't forget to hit subscribe. This is a really great drink, gonna be very fragrant for you, not overly sweet. We're gonna use tequila and some grapefruit beer. So your first step you wanna do is get your citrus ready. Start by cutting your grapefruit stern to stem. Go right down the center. Take each half and do it again, stern to stem. And once you get those halves, go to the corner and start making your wedges. This way, you get the perfect sunrise edge. Now we're going to create the cocktail. You're going to take the lime that you cut up into wedges, and you're going to moisten the rim of the glass, just like you would if you were making a margarita. And then we're going to dip this in a plate of salt. Nice coarse size salt works best. You could even use Himalayan salt and bring out the pink tones of that salt to the rim. You're going to take a couple of ice cubes. And a Paloma uses tequila. You don't need the expensive stuff in this. You're going to take 2 ounces, pour it out using your jigger, add in some freshly squeezed lime juice, and then the piece de resistance, grapefruit beer, lager style or IPA, up to the glass, about 6 ounces, a half a bottle. And now, let's put the finishing touches. The grapefruit that we sliced up earlier, then some of the lime, we just made these pretty little wheels as a garnish. Pop it over here to your bar nap, and then take a paper straw, pop that in, you just scored a touchdown. Now it's time to make our adorable mason jars that look like footballs. So what you're gonna need are mason jars, and we have these plastic ones on QVC.com. So first thing you're gonna do is make the laces. You're gonna take your crafting tape and you're gonna cut 1 long one and then 3 shorter ones. So there, the laces for your mason jar. Next, we want to go ahead and make our little goatee sign. So you're going to need some green construction paper, and then you can make these little triangles. Then take your spool of thread. Cut about 10 to 12 inch pieces, as long as you can get it around the mason jar and have extra string so you can tie it in a bow tie. We used our crafting hole punch to punch 2 holes right there at the corner of our flag and thread our yarn through our flag. Now, I find to tie this on, the easiest way is, again, to just do it flat. Give this a tie, just like you tie your shoe. There you go, get the sides nice and even, and there you go. You made your football mason jar. Of course, for the non-drinkers in your crowd, you can completely make this drink non-alcoholic. Just replace the grapefruit beer with grapefruit soda. Dying to take a sip. Now that's refreshing. Well, now that we've given you some great ideas on what to serve for your big game party, why don't you check out our other series, Table It, where Alberti is going to show you how to build a beautiful spread.